G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. Good morning, the time is 14 to 10 in the morning. Now, I've got the bird seed out there for the birds, and got these two came along and decided to have something to eat. They prefer this perch for some strange reason. And zoomed in halfway. I don't know, they like that bird feed, I should say, not a perch. There's a pigeon there as well. I've got some green ones. I knew that was going to happen. Those two will fly off because these ones are a bit more aggressive. And there's a plane flying above us. So I also put some bird seed into that black one as well, which I normally only throw like bread, stuff like that, because kangaroos can't get to that one. And throw like meat and that into there because the birds come and eat it. You don't throw it into the landfill. Alright, it's like you're composting vegetables. You don't throw the vegetables into the normal bin. You put them into compost or something like that, or even dig a hole in your garden and put them into there and let them decompose and become part of the garden. I like what they're doing in South Korea though. What they're doing is they I think if that shot the pigeon here. That becomes a crow back. So what they're doing in South Korea is brilliant, right? We should do the same thing here. Is they set up places where residents can take their waste, their vegetables and stuff like that. Now instead of, I think they get, I don't know, they pay a thing or they get something back. I think that's zoomed in halfway. What they do is they get a rebate back for electricity. And what they do is you put your garbage. Oh wow, a whole bunch of swans just flew past the lake. Oh well. What they do is they get a rebate back on electricity. They take their waste product, like there's like things, skin of tomato, all the veggie stuff, right? Because they can't really do much in South Korea where some of the city is, and because it's so densely compacted. So instead of all that food going into sort of like landfill, they basically put this food, they scan the ID into a system, they weigh the food, gives them X amount back or something like that, as in credits. I don't know how it works exactly, but it does that. And then that food gets collected and then taken to a facility where it turns that food into electricity. Crazy greedy. Took a whole piece of big bread there and we just flew off with it. I hope he eats the whole lot. And oh, one's flying off. Going into this one here now. So so how I look at it, you can see that crow up here too, I think. See a shot of that crow. There he is. Zoomed in halfway. They're smart animals, a bit skittish, but they're smart too. Oh, they're flying off. Oh, he doesn't want it now. These are there. This one will come along and take it then. Oh, I'll take that. Oh well. So, I think that's what we should do here. Right, all the food waste that goes into landfills should be put into a system that recycles it and makes it into fuel. Environmental friendly, you don't get the landfills filled up with all the food products, and it's going to make it more disastrous for the future if you don't go down a pathway like this. Anyway, my name is Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.